MUGEN codes. MUGEN codes. MUGEN. Aijeng. New codes in MUGEN. MUGEN. I'll be redeeming every single one of them. How much free spins do we have? We have only 6 lucky spins. We need way more than 6 lucky spins. That's a 5% mythic. I'm going for the mythic. Please, mythic. Please, mythic. That is not mythic. MUGEN. Why can't I find the Discord server? Is the Discord server disabled? Where is the Discord? Chirolo? Where is Chirolo? I probably have to join again. Anyways, mythic. Please, mythic. Can I get 1 mythic? In today's video, I'll be showing you every new and working code. Okay, one more time. What am I getting from this? I'm not getting anything. I need to get the shockwave. Give me the shockwave. Alright, last spin. I have to get it, okay? I have to get it. Last spin. I didn't get it. I got thunder. Alright. First code is release. Redeem code release for free lucky spins. Sub up for future codes. If you're watching from the future, these are the future codes. 2027 6 January 3rd 2048. Testing code. Sigma code. Testing code. 5 lucky spins. Wait, can I redeem thunder? Strike the thunder. Easy. Code thunder redeemed. How many lucky spins do I get? 4 lucky spins. Do not give me thunder. I got sickness. Alright. The next code. Patch me up. I didn't say touch me. Wait, what? I didn't say that. I say patch me up. Okay. That is the code. Redeemed. Comment a heart emoji if you don't have Robux, guys. If you have 0 Robux, comment heart emoji. That is exactly what you should do right now. Thanks, 100k. Thanks, 100,000. I probably redeemed this one already. Already redeemed. Mythic. Shock time. Shockwave. Please, shockwave. 1 shockwave, please. Where is Chirolo when you need him? Where is Chirolo when you actually need him? Chirolo, give me this shockwave, please. Alright, then don't give it. Alright, don't give it. I'm fine. I don't need it.